everyone, Joanna here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my challenge 28 days to splits. Today is day 7. Let's get started on the mat. Okay, again we're starting with the butterfly stretch. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Let go any tension. Relax your shoulders, open your chest. Breathe in and out. Okay, grab your weights, optional of course, to add more pressure. Here's your daily mantra. I'm not afraid of my feelings. 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 Embrace your feelings today. Okay, awesome. Moving quickly to the straddle splits with the band optionally behind your back. And open your legs, open, open, open. And hold here. I'm not afraid of my feelings. I'm not afraid of my feelings. I'm not afraid of my feelings. Oh, this feels so good today. Nicely done. And now we're gonna repeat the hip flexor stretch. On your fours, step into deep runner's lunge, knee down, put the hip flexor, and now you can actually step your foot a little bit forward just to have more range of motion. And now pulsing for 5. 1, 2, 3, 5, and stretch and hold with exhale. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold and stretch. Oh, holy moly. One more time. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and stretch. Hold. Okay, and reverse into the hamstring stretch. And now pulse down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold and press. Press into the hamstring. You should feel a very big stretch in the back of your front leg. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold and stretch. Okay, and one more time, but this time try to follow me. Try to bring your leg a little bit forward. Okay, and now pulse. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and hold there. And up. Okay, nicely done. And now let's switch legs and repeat same for the other leg. Ready? Okay, bring the leg forward, a little bit forward than last time, and now pause. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hold. Press and hold. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and into the hamstring stretch, and off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one more time. Now let's bring the leg a little bit forward, slide forward, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my God, holy moly. Stretch here. And that's it. Holy moly. And whew. This was day 7. And now let me just give you your daily self-love assignment. Go sugar-free for 1 day. I know you can. Sugar-free means self-love, because sugar is not good for you. I know you think, yeah, but sugars, but chocolate, it makes me happy. No, sugar is not good for you, and this challenge is all about you, the self-love you can give yourself. So go for 1 day sugar-free. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're enjoying this challenge so far. This was our first week. We have 3 more weeks, and I promise you great results at the end if you're consistent and if you really put the work in. If you want better results, again, I recommend doing this 3 times a day. First thing in the morning for 5 minutes, once in your lunch break, and of course once before going to bed. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.